Fans are perplexed by Whoopi Goldberg of The View, as she makes some strange noises on the show. Whoopi, 67, took things to the next level on Tuesday's episode of The View when she sang bizarrely while the hosts talked about life on other planets. Sarah Haynes, 45, Joy Behar, 80, Alyssa Farah Griffin, 33, Sunny Hostin, 54, and Whoopi, co-anchors, discussed aliens and UFOs during the roundtable. Joy said that she never believed in UFOs, but that she kinda believed in them after learning about the presence of 48-year-old U.S. Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene. In contrast, Sunny stated rather simply that UFOs exist. Regarding Sarah, she discussed the potential of extraterrestrial life, but did not affirm or reject whether she personally believed in it. When you consider the size of galaxies, I think it's either naive or conceited to think that humans are the only living organisms on this planet. I'd also think you should be able to believe if other people believe in heaven or somewhere else. Alyssa added that someone knows that there might be extraterrestrial life. Whoopi apparently sang the Star Trek theme tune in response to the ABC celebrities' discussion regarding aliens and UFOs. Before the producers went to a commercial break, the EGOT winner performed the song's instrumental. In the classic 1960s television series Star Trek, humanity explores space and come across extraterrestrial life in the distant future. Star Trek: The Next Generation, which starred Whoopi, was the reboot of the series in the 1980s. Some fans may have felt a little uncomfortable when Whoopi broke into song, but others enjoyed it nostalgic. Well though, one fan tweeted, "Whoopi went old school #Star Trek, she's perfect." With her singing, Whoopi seems to have regained the favor of her followers. Following remarks she made regarding the Jewish community and other groups last year, admirers wished she had been booted from The View. The EGOT winner discussed her childhood, the #MeToo movement, and her new movie Till in a recent interview with The Times. Her recent remarks on Jews, however, appear to have infuriated readers the most. Due to what network ABC described as her wrong and hurtful comments against Jews and the Holocaust, Whoopi was suspended from The View for 2 weeks last year. Whoopi asserted that the Holocaust was not about race, but rather white-on-white violence and man's inhumanity to man during a discussion about the anti-Nazi graphic novel Maus. Whoopi brought up the subject once more in a recent interview with The Times, hinting that Jews themselves are split on whether they identify as a race or a religion. The absence of a Jewish race box on the census is not a coincidence, according to my best buddy. Therefore, that makes me think that we're probably not a race, she remarked. Yes, but that's the killer, isn't it? Whoopi said in response to the interviewer's observation that Nazis considered Jews to be a race. You're being told who you are by your oppressor. Why do you think they're real? They're Nazis. Why should we believe what they say? Whoopi added. They did that to black people too, after being informed that Nazis had once measured Jews' heads and noses to prove they were a separate race. However, that doesn't alter the fact that you can't spot a Jew on the street. I may be located, you are unable to locate them. I was trying to make that point. However, you would have assumed that I had urinated on the table while completely nude, she said.